Big news, NMN can no longer be sold as a dietary supplement in the US. Recently, the US Food and Drug Administration FDA said beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide (NMN), a popular longevity supplement ingredient, is under investigation as a potential new drug. Therefore, companies can no longer market it as a dietary supplement. This decision has sparked concern among those who use NMN and the dietary supplement industry. Let's go to the point. NMN is an ingredient used in supplements and food products that research suggests can rise levels of NAD, an important coenzyme for metabolism. NAD levels decreases as a person ages, leading some scientists to believe that NMN can prolong longevity. Recently, the FDA concluded that because it's under investigation by pharmaceutical companies as a potential new drug, supplement companies can no longer market NMN. This decision has raised concern among industry leading among federal dietary supplement policies. NMN is a forerunner to NAD+, a compound that repairs and protects DNA and mitochondria in the body. As people age, NAD levels decrease, which is associated with reduced energy level, DNA damage, cognitive impairments, and inflammatory conditions. NMN is an ingredient in dietary supplement that research suggests may rise NMN levels in the body. Because of this, it has gained popularity as an over-the-counter anti-aging health product. As NMN dietary supplement are no longer sold in the US, NAD+ injections may become a good alternative, for the FDA had previously accepted NAD as a new dietary ingredient, NDI, which allowed supplement manufacturers to market it. But on October 11, 2022, they revoked the NDI, so companies can no longer sell it in the United States. This decision has created concern among proponents for natural supplements, recreations, and the dietary supplement industry. Okay, what happened to NMN? Let's go to the point. On July 25, 2022, Inner Mongolia Kingdomway Pharmaceutical Limited voluntarily submitted and for NMN because the company planned to market an NMN containing dietary supplement. However, in October 11, 2022, the FDA sent a letter to Kingdomway regarding the company's NDI. The FDA documents status that NMN has been authorized for investigation as a new drug and may not be marketed as a dietary supplement or as a food. The FDA can do this because of the preclusion provision of Section 201 of the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. Officials created this provision to protect the commercial interest of pharmaceutical companies developing new drugs. It also provocates unscrupulous individuals or groups from bypassing the drug approval process by categorizing their ingredients as dietary supplement. However, the FDA doesn't disclose when a pharmaceutical company submits an investigation new drug (IND) application. So, it's unclear when NMN was authorized for investigation. This led Kingdomway to question the FDA's decision. The evidence on which Kingdomway released to show that NMN was marketed as a dietary supplement or food before it was authorized as a new drug is too recent, not relevant, or both. The second time frame the FDA points out on September 2021, the month that Kingdom Whey first marketed its NMN containing whey protein concentrate. Both of those dates are after the first date on which NMN was authorized for investigation as a new drug, the FDA wrote. Pharmaceutical companies interested in NMN. Metro International Biotech is one privately owned pharmaceutical company recently involved in studies examining MEB626, a pharmaceutical-grade NMN formulation. One study looking at NMN's effect on Alzheimer's disease has first publicly posted on September 10, 2021. Another investigation, MEB626 treatment in adults with COVID-19 and kidney injury, was posted on September 9, 2021. A third study, first posted on March 25, 2021, is testing the safety of MEB626 in adults with VA. In December 2021, Metro Biotech posted a comment to the FDA regarding NMN. The company wrote, "Industry reactions to the decision. Steve Mister, President and CEO of the Council for Responsible Nutrition, a leading trade association for the dietary supplement and functional food industry, told Health News, "We are very disappointed with the FDA decision here. We think it's the wrong decision. We think it was a potential negative precedent for other ingredients in this space. This issue is part of a much bigger concern for the industry about something called drug preclusion," he says. According to Mr., if the dietary supplement industry markets an ingredient first, then the ingredient is shared with the pharmaceutical industry. One of the best examples of that has been omega-3 fish oil, he explained, because we marketed that as supplements going back decades, and now you can buy highly purified versions of omega-3 as prescription pharmaceuticals. But we didn't lose it just because they decided to start marketing highly purified versions of it, Mr. said. According to Jeff Glad, practicing integrative medicine physician and chief medical officer, while I support investment in clinical research to provide the claims for dietary supplement, protecting the pharmaceutical industry often leads to very high-priced options that are difficult for the average patient to consider, he told Health News. I have concerned about the potential for other dietary supplement ingredients to become pharmaceutical industry targets of FDA's efforts to exclude them from the marketplace, and I support the work being done by advocacy groups to petition the FDA, he said. Is NMN banned? According to Mr., when the FDA decides an ingredient no longer meet its definition as a dietary supplement, they issued a letter to companies that market it. But unless the FDA decides to them go out and exercise some enforcement, it doesn't require that the companies put the ingredients, he explained. For example, when the FDA decided that companies could no longer market NAC, most retailers continued to sell it because the warning letter was only directed to one company. It was not enforced against the rest of the industry, Mr. said. I think that's what you will see happen again with NMN, he added. Many companies will continue to market it until they see whenever the FDA is really so confident in its decision that it's really to actually exercise enforcement against the product. Health News reached out to the FDA for clarification on its decision, but didn't receive a response. Putting it in perspective, however, regardless of NMN's fate, Dr. Glad suggests that although many people take it for its potential role in healthy aging, it's unclear whenever it has a significant benefits. While supplement may provide benefits, they should never be at the top of one's health and healthy aging plan. He noted a heavy focus on whole foods eating, regular exercise and high quality sleep are essential and higher prioritized. Thank you for watching, subscribe, put like, notification bell. See you next video. Bye for now.